We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many.
We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring.
So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you.
Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.